Hello, and welcome to the Cryptocurrency News channel. So, I'm going to load up on a couple of DeFi tokens. I think DeFi is a pretty good thing to load up on now. Yes, DeFi did kind of lose its luster to NFTs and then meme coins, and now this gaming metaverse stuff. But I think it's making a comeback. The TVL for DeFi is the highest, pretty much almost the highest it's ever been, despite the last month being kind of like out of momentum. And that can attribute itself to many, many things like, new variants of the virus coming on. People are seeing their interest rates be pretty much zero, so they're looking for other ways to make their money work for them. So they're going to lock up their crypto in DeFi. Generally, yield farming produces higher yields than staking. Now, there is a risk. There's always impermanent loss, and there's a possibility that your contract can actually be exploited, the smart contract. So it's not without its own risks, so you have to take that into consideration. But I'm basically, right now, I've basically swapped half my VeChain. Well, not quite half, because I'm not like yield farming with everything, but like swapping a lot of my VeChain with for VEX, and I'm farming the VEX VET pair at 90% APR. And, 90% yield, you're never going to get interest like that. That only lasts for a while, but you can jump from stake pool to stake pool. And even if it goes down to 15, 20% APR, that's still a whole lot better than your bank account will ever give you. So essentially what I'm doing is I'm staking for OCC or Occam on the Cardano network. There's no yield farming yet on the Cardano network because none of those platforms are actually launched yet, I don't think. And I'm actually yield farming on VeChain on OCC. Now, I haven't actually bought any Occam with Cardano, but I am trading my Cardano rewards right now. Well, not really trading, like the tax on the pool is like 99% or something. So like you're basically sacrificing your Cardano rewards in order to gain Occam rewards. That's how that actually works. And I think that'll be worth it because I looked at it. I should be, with my amount of Cardano, I should get like a few OCC per epoch. And probably like 2 or 3 OCC per epoch. And with Occam, the price it is right now, it should be more than the dollar value of Cardano I would get per epoch. So that should actually work out pretty well for me. I'm also banking on the fact that OCC will probably go up when the ecosystem actually launches, because then OccamFi will actually be up. I will actually be able to liquidity farm. Then I will probably sell the OCC at that point and stake for OCX, or trade the OCC for OCX and then stake the OCX. Well, not stake the OCX, but like yield farm with the 88 and the OCX off your ROI or Daedalus. So that's kind of like what I actually plan to do then. So I will be doing DeFi on both Cardano and VeChain, and I might actually look to get in on some Solana stuff as well if there's like a dependable DEX and a dependable yield staking program. I wish I did get on an Elrond and Meyer, but Elrond was a little too expensive then. It has gone up a lot since then, but I really did wish I could get on an Elrond and Meyer because the ROI on MEX was pretty dang incredible. But I did miss out on that. I did actually alert people to that though, so hopefully you guys took advantage of that. But I'm definitely focusing more on DeFi and DEX right now. Yes, I really didn't get into the NFT metaverse thing. I did miss out on that, but I don't think I think I won't be disappointed. Even in the bear market in DeFi and DEX, I just got to look out for those scam DeFis, which I think I can actually avoid. And I do actually think out of the three things, like NFTs, obviously meme coins and DeFi is going to be the biggest one because it's a whole new way of looking at economics. Yes, there are a lot of scams going in DeFi, and I will have to look out for those, like I said. But DeFi is a complete new way to look at finance because it's actually providing very, very competitive yields for a return on your investment. And with interest rates, I don't think interest rates are ever going to go up. I won't say ever. I don't think interest rates are going to go up above 2 or 3% for a while because, of the whole virus thing and they don't want to taper too much. I think like DeFi and, staking at 15, 20% will always be a very high interest to people who are looking to make their money work for them. So I don't really see this being a fad. Whereas meme coins, I think that's a fad. NFTs, they have some staying power, but $1 million NFT JPEGs, that's a fad as well. But NFTs for gaming, music, collectibles, that's going to be there. Metaverses, I think they're going to stay around for a while too. And I think metaverses will actually involve DeFi as well. So I might actually get into metaverses that way. But right now I'm going to concentrate a little bit on DeFi, especially with the VET and ADA ecosystem. I'm very excited about the ADA ecosystem. And right now I'm just trying to get some OCC. And then essentially I'm going to sell the OCC for OCX once the platform actually launches, and then probably yield farm with the OCX. So that's my plan for right now. Let me know what you think. Like and subscribe and hit that bell notifications button. Thank you and have a nice day.